So you're thinking about having plastic surgery. Whether it's for aesthetic reasons or for functional reasons, choosing the right plastic surgeon is one of the most important decisions you'll probably make. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to choose a safe, skilled, and ethical plastic surgeon, specifically here in the UK. First things first, check their credentials. In the UK, your surgeon should be on the GMC specialist register for plastic surgery. That's the General Medical Council. If they're not on it, it'll be difficult to consider them. So how do you do that? Google GMC on the search bar, and it should be one of the first things that comes up. Click on this and type in find a specialist register. Type in your surgeon's name, and the name should pop up with the year they entered the register, as well as which part of the specialist register they're on. So I am a surgeon and I am a plastic surgeon, and this is what appears within the GMC specialist register. Therefore, I do fulfill the basic requirements. You could also look at membership, such as BARPS or BAPRAS, and that's the British Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons, or the British Association of Plastic and Reconstructive Aesthetic Surgeons. These organisations have strict standards and continuous education requirements. Exams are also important, so the FRCS is one of the things that you should be looking out for. Next is training and the background of the surgeons. So surgeons who have trained and worked in the NHS as consultant plastic surgeons typically have a high quality, broad experience, not just with cosmetic procedures, but also with complex reconstructions. When things don't quite go to plan and there are complications, and they do happen even in the best of hands, you need to have a surgeon that is able to access resources that regularly deal with complex cases, and also know how to recognize and deal with them early on, because the NHS is constantly dealing with these complex cases. Most, if not all, surgeons have websites, and their websites, it should say where they trained, how long they've trained for, and which NHS hospital, if they are working for an NHS hospital, they attend. Where is your surgery going to happen? And this is just as important as the person who does this. Make sure the clinic or hospital is CQC registered. That's Care Quality Commission. They regulate health providers in England and rate them on safety, effectiveness, and care. If the facility isn't CQC approved, that's generally a red flag. So hopefully that should cover some of the basics of what you should be looking for when you are looking for the ideal or a plastic surgeon for you.